Hello, hi there. I'm Jibachh Thakur and I'm excited to be here with you today. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my recent work, which is given by the Spark Foundation during my data science and business analytics internship. In this talk, we are going to make prediction of a score based on hours studied by a student. For the prediction, we are going to use supervised machine learning algorithm, that is linear regression. For this, we had imported important libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Gboard, Matplotlib. Now I imported dataset and read the data frame using Pandas library. Here are the dataset. First columns hours and scores, which means if a student studied 2.5 hours, then he will score 21. If he studied 5.1 hours, then the score will be 47. Likewise, here is the descriptive statistics of data frame. These are the count, that means total data in the data frame. These are the means, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Let us check if there is any null values or not. So you have the df info. There are no any null values. So you can see there is no any null values. Let us see a correlation matrix for data frame df. Here is values are closer to the positive number, so you can see it is strong positive correlated. Now let us plot graph between hours and scores. Here we can see the data points of the data frame are forming the straight line. That is, we can see the linear property of the data. While there is linear property, I used linear regression technique for the model and for the prediction too. So for this, we are dividing whole data into X and Y. That means training and testing. Here X are the training data, which are not training, which are independent variables. Here Y's are dependent variable. Now before that I divide data frame into training and testing. Here data that is splitted into X train, Y train, X test, Y test using the train test split function. Here 80% of data are used for training the model and the 20% for testing the model. These are the X train, X test, Y train, Y test. Here these are the scikit-learn library. Okay. We had important train test split from the scikit-learn model selection. Now we importing linear regression and then fitting training values to it. For this, we imported linear regression to create linear regression model using the linear regression class, and we created rich instance of the linear regression and assigned to race variable. Here this line fits the linear regression model to the training data using fit function method, where X train and Y train are given. X train represent input and Y train represent output features. So we have trained our model. Here is the output linear regression. Is our model are trained. This means our model is trained, successfully trained. Here are the X test, and so we have trained our linear regression model. Raise, we can call it raise. To make prediction, a new data represented by the X test and store the resulting prediction in the Y predict variable. We create an instance Y predict. Here are the predicted score using this data, right? Here we created a new data frame called new underscore df with two columns, actual and predicted. Actual column contains the actual output whereas predicted column contains the predicted output values from the linear regression model, which are stored in the white predict, right? Let us here is the prediction of score of 9.25 hours of study. That means let us predict the score for the input of 9.25 hours of study. We got the value output 93.45860056. Okay, I think this is output, which is based on the linear regression model. Now we had calculated a score, overall score, our model, which is 0.97. That means 97% is our model is working good. To check how well the model is able to predict the actual value from the data set, and I had computed the R square value for the prediction made by the previously regression trained linear model. Right. Now the mean absolute error between predicted values and the output values is 10.53, which is not bad. So this is my first task, which is provided by the Spark Foundation during my data science and business analytics internship, which is called GREET internship. Thank you for watching. Thank you.